Hey, welcome to this segment on the pros and cons of immediate annuities. When we're in our office and we use the word annuity, it usually triggers a lot of reactions. And we're always curious to see what people are carrying in regards to their understanding of annuities. And so I have a quick little analogy. It's a little fun that I'd like to give you here with some manipulatives. I'm a very hands-on physical learner there, so I'm going to try to do a quick little experiment. And then make an analogy. So my favorite color is blue. Cool. You're sitting there thinking of different shades of blue. If you're inquisitive, you might say, okay, well, what shade of blue specifically? And why is that your favorite? Well, I think one of the shades of blue, my favorite, would be that deep blue that you can only see in a Caribbean ocean while you're on a cruise. There's a shade of blue that is just absolutely full of incredible family memories, and you never forget it. There's a blue that Hopkins Vikings wear, where I graduated high school from. That's a blue that you just never forget, that shade. There's a blue of Torch Lake. If you've ever had the ability to fly over Torch Lake, I didn't know Michigan could offer those kind of shades of blue from that lake. That's the view that you will never forget. So what's my analogy? Well, if you're not careful, you'll hear the word annuity and you'll say, oh, annuities, blue. But that's not necessarily true. There's a lot of different shades of blue that you have. And that's very true with annuities. There's so many different types of annuities and features of those annuities. It would be, you'd have to be careful to just lump them all up as the same shade. Today we're going to talk about maybe this one. So this is an immediate annuity, okay, that you might do a single premium immediate annuity, and we can talk about what those features might look like. Why would you want that? Okay, well, this immediate annuity is a contract between you and an insurance company to pay a lifetime income stream. And so what happens is you basically would give them money, let's say $100,000, and then they would give you a contract to say, we're going to let that become an income stream for you for the rest of your life. That usually starts within a month all the way up to within a year. Those payments start. They're basically going to contractually give you, these payments back as income stream for a set amount of time. Sometimes the payback period might be 5, 6, 8 years. Many times it's for life. Sometimes the options on the payback might be for a single life, just on you. Or maybe there's a spouse that you want to cover, and you can do a joint life payout. Basically what happens is the insurance company is saying, if you live a really long time, we're going to pay you for the duration of that lifetime. What are some of those benefits? Sometimes people will say, I want to bridge my predictable income stream from age 62 to 70 just so I can defer my Social Security until I turn 70, and then I want to switch and have the annuity be done and have the Social Security payments start. And then my predictable contractual income is something I can calculate easily. So that would be a benefit. Sometimes clients want to make sure their spouse is taken care of, and so they'll do a joint payout where if they were to pass away, their spouse still has that continual income. You can build these to where they have cost of living adjustments on them, to where those payments actually adjust up. You can build them to where there's a death benefit. There might be annuities out there that don't have any death benefit, and you have to be very careful of that, because that would enter into some of the cons of these things, where sometimes these insurance products, if you pass away, then your entire premium goes back to the insurance company, and there's no beneficiary money to pass on from an inheritance standpoint. There's fees that you have to be careful of. Some have fees, some do not. So you want to really be careful of those fees. You want to look at what kind of surrender charges there might be if you wanted all of that money back. Okay, what is that going to cost you? So if you're there wondering, you know, I might be in the ballpark for looking into an annuity, please give us a call. We work with these all of the time. We think there's some beautiful shades of blue, and we think there's some terrible shades of blue using that annuity analogy. Hey, I hope that information was valuable. If you have any questions about annuities, please feel free to give us a call. You can always check us out on youtube.com/retiringwell, and you can always give us a call at the number on your screen.